Look at it, it's just beautiful. It's been a long time. Like 7 years? 8 years? 7 years. 7 years back home. What a beautiful sight. Life's only beginning now again. I can't believe I let it go the first time. Absolutely huge day. Huge day. I bought my old Astra Turbo back. This is absolute nostalgia right here. What a machine. I made a video maybe a couple of months ago about a restoration I did on this car, and then after I made that video I just happened to text a guy. Pretty sad story. His brother got back onto me saying that that he had passed and that he was looking to get rid of some of the collection of cars, and saw my message. So yeah, it's mad how the world works. You never really know how long you have, but this is the first time I'm actually looking at it properly to seeing what I'm dealing with. Looking around at the bodywork, like, yeah, it's pretty rough, but I mean, it's been 8 years since I'd seen the car. Yeah, that is a problem, all right. Yeah, that's probably a new quarter panel right there. That is mad. It's like all the old parts that I gave your man when I sold the car are all still there. Like even two of these are savagely rare. But overall, yeah, the two quarter panels, bit rusty. It's ridiculous. Can't believe it's back 8 years. I shouldn't have known. I should have never sold it. You might have seen another video where I made where there was a lot of old Vauxhall and Opel cars in a collection. But yeah, if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It is quality. There's some very, very cool old Vauxhall and Opel machines. We'll go to the important stuff. Whoa. Oh, there we go. The heart. Yes, it's crusty, isn't it? That is crusty. Like, that is... It's just been sitting up a long time. Like, those arts look shocking. Whatever's living in there. A little bit of rust on the battery tray. New rad, electric, plastic fans. Standard, the KKK Turbo. That looks a little crusty. Yeah, that coolant pipe. But yeah, overall, it hasn't fared too bad. We'll have a look inside. Yeah, it was taking this apart to put in a fuel pump relay to try and get it going. When I went looking at it, and there's a small bit of mold and crustiness. The seats though, still very good nick. Like, normally that is a massive amount where that bolt is perfect, lovely. The GSI seats are still beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Electric sunroof. Now that headliner is crusty. That needs a bit of work. $140 mile an hour Lockwood dials. The old JVC. I have absolutely no idea what's lurking underneath. That is another mystery. I mean, so we've discs in the back still. Are they seized? Absolutely no idea. Again, No idea if they're seized or not. That is, I suppose when I get at this, start stripping it down, I'll have a better idea of how we're looking. Well, those springs look crusty. Oof. How about the other side? Oh, well. Oh, that doesn't look great now, if I'm honest. Those chassis legs look pretty crusty and bubbly. How about the other spring? Last one was tax, look. December 2018. 140,313 on the last NCT. 2019. What's on it now? 140,313. What have we on the clock? 140,467. Oh, that's ridiculous. So it's done 100 miles? It's probably even less, because sure I would have drove it a bit after I NCT'd it. That's crazy. Regardless what condition it is in, I am absolutely just over the moon to have this thing back. Oh, the project has begun. The project has begun big time.